So today is Sunday at Glacier National Park. Yesterday we got up really early and at the crack of dawn, basically, right, Bill?
Butt crack of dawn, yep.
Went to going to the Sun Road. Spent all day there, did a hike to St. Mary Falls and Virginia Falls, and came back. I was pretty exhausted, so I took a couple hours nap. And got up. Bill made us some supper. Backpacker. What's that stuff called? Backpacker?
I don't know. Freeze-dried.
Freeze-dried food.
What was it last night?
Fettuccine Alfredo, chicken fettuccine. Oh, Lord. Dear. There, Bill scared him away. Good job, Bill. There's too much traffic down here. They need to go back that way.
Yeah, it's not a safe place for deer.
So today, I woke up about almost 9, and I thought, wow, I felt really rested, and I felt really good. Last night, Bill went to bed early. I stayed up late till like midnight by the fire and reading. We have a park pass, so he just has to show the car.
Hi there.
And I was feeling kind of homesick for some reason.
Excuse me? Yes, me and my wife. Thanks.
I was feeling homesick and missing my puppies, and I think and what it came down to when I woke up, I just had an epiphany that it was fatigue. I was just really fatigued. Woke up feeling great this morning, ready to go see some things or plan to see some things, but we decided to take the day off to rest. We had a relaxing morning. We went to the KOA campground outside of West Glacier to shower. That place is really nice. It's a nice resort, camp resort. And the showers are nice and they're not timed. You just pay $7.50 each. And
Yeah, you don't need to slam the quarters in the slot. You just pay the lady in the front.
right. And then well, the showers in our campground are closed because of COVID. So we didn't know that, but those showers were really nice. I liked them.
Left turn, right?
It felt good to get a shower. We haven't showered since Thursday night.
Smelled like an old horse blanket. It was bad.
It was.
It was real bad.
I know. And we got our showers. We're feeling even better. We stopped at this Get Gas. And then Bill's going to make a beef stew tonight.
We were going to make hobo dinners, but they're all out of aluminum foil.
Yeah, hobo dinners was out, so we're going to just do a stew. And stocked up on wood and beer, and I got a Diet Coke and a Diet 7-Up. I think we're all set for today.
All set. Some real food.
It's about 3:30 here.
Peddlers
Yep.
on the right.
Yep. But I just learned that fatigue really does change how you feel and how you think, and I got up early yesterday. I was not feeling the best. I was tired still, but going to the Sun Road was awesome.
Yeah.
What wasn't awesome was later on in the afternoon, the crowds came flooding in, and it was real slow-moving traffic, but it was okay. We still had a great ride up there, and it's open to the rising sun point, and then you have to turn around. But it was really fun. We enjoyed our hike, and we've done 3 hikes, and we plan to do one tomorrow. The Hidden Lake Trail up there by Logan's Pass Visitor Center. We have to get up really early for that too. It gets crowded. But we enjoy it, and Bill really wanted to come here and touch a glacier. You can only do that, I guess, at, Manny Glacier. Grinnell Glacier, is that it?
Well, yeah, you go, I guess, was it Sperry?
Well, the Sperry...
Oh, you're talking about, for sure, I know for sure, at Mini Glacier, you can go up and touch Grinnell Glacier.
Yeah, the Sperry Chalet, and then there's the Sperry Glacier. But it's like 20 miles, 19.4 miles round trip. It's just too much. It is for me. I don't want to do 19-mile hike. And it's strenuous. It's not like an easy or a moderate hike, so I'd rather not. But we can take.
Patty on the right.
Yep, that's a runner.
Pedestrian, runner, same thing.
Oh, okay. Well, we might go on a Lake McDonald hike, but that's 6 miles. We did the Rocky Point hike, which is short, around our campground, and it was really, really nice. Came in contact with a deer and her 2 little ones. It was a great experience, wildlife experience.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
I think.
Huh?
Am I in the right lane? I don't remember.
No. We're not stopping, are we? We're not checking in.
No.
Bless you.
Bless.
I'm going around the speed bump. So we're just going to relax the rest of the day, rest up for a hike tomorrow.
But crack it on.
That Hidden Lake hike is how many miles? I forget what it.
I don't remember. It's way up there though, with lots of snow and ice.
Yeah, I think it's a couple miles. A lot of people go. I mean, it's better to go early because so many people go, and that was a crowded trail at 9 o'clock, or was it 8:30 when we were there?
It was pretty early.
It was
we were there.
8:30, and it was already packed. But the good thing about Logan Pass Visitor Center is they have really great spots for just motorcycle parking. I didn't know that, but that's pretty cool. And so if we could do that hike, and I really don't care what we do on Tuesday. Maybe do another ride up there to the, who knows?
Yeah, how can you get too much of that? That's awesome.
I know. We have a full tank of gas. So it's a nice, quiet campground. We're right across from the restroom, so sometimes it gets a little bright and
Wonderful.
noisy.
Not too close, you hear everybody,
Yeah.
but close enough you don't have to run.
It's still peaceful, still pretty peaceful. And the water spigot fresh water spigot is right next to our camp, so it's pretty nice. It's spacious. We're about to pull in up here. Here it is. Home sweet home for now. There's our tent. Guess I'll park next to you this time. Bill put up the tarp. We moved the picnic table was there. We moved it there so that we could have our tent here away from the fire pit. Got a laundry line going. Beer spilled all over my face mask, so we had to... Oh, the ice is melting. So that's pretty nice. It's nice and calm out here. Let's sign off. I gotta help unload. Bye.